Gaming. We've all done it and we've all watched it, but how exactly do we edit gaming videos for YouTube? So what, you're supposed to record 2 hours of footage and then somehow turn it into a 15-minute epic funny YouTube video? How do you do that? What? If you ever attempted to edit a gaming video, you probably gave up when you first started because your brain got fried. Fear not, my friend, because as someone who's worked with tons of gaming channels and gotten over millions of views on his own gaming videos on YouTube.com, I think I know a thing or two that will help you out. You're in good hands. Let's get into it. A quick plug, if you're looking to learn how to make money from video editing, or you're looking to level up your editing to the highest levels possible where you're like an elite, check out my Gumroad, bro. I got courses, I got presets, and I got one-to-one lessons with me available there. Alright, you can take lessons from me. So check out the Gumroad link below and let's get into the video. Step 1, synchronizing. Sometimes things will be complicated and you'll have more than one video that you'll need to sync up. You'll have screen recorded footage, face cam, microphone, in-game audio, I know, fucking taller cam for some reason. If you need to sync up your good microphone, let's say with your face cam, it's super easy to do. All you need to do is just select both of the footage in your Premiere Pro timeline, right click and then hit this button called synchronize, hit enter and it should automatically synchronize it for you. If you got multiple cameras or different POVs, you need to use a feature called multicam to do this, which I'm not going to talk about. But if you need a full tutorial on synchronizing multiple cameras and different stuff, join my Discord and the link will be there. Step 2, cutting. This is the hardest part of editing any gaming video. You got 2 hours of footage and you just need to cut it down to a lot shorter. What do you get rid of? What do you keep? Like, what's going on? Don't worry. I figured it out. So first things first, to do cutting, you need to have a clear mind. You need as much brain points as you can have before you do this. Ideally, if you want to do cutting, do it the first thing in the morning before you do anything. Do it on an empty stomach, just black coffee. And don't fucking wank before doing cutting. Trust me, like, you cannot fucking jack off and do cutting. I'm saying this because I know 100% of people who watch me are serial fucking wankers. Let's go! So you need to watch the footage and look out for these 3 things in your mind. You just need to make mental notes. We got gaming moments, funny moments, and then context/goal.
Start another world and finally kill the zombie horse.
Make a mental note whenever one of these things happen in a video. For example, a gaming moment could be hitting an air shot in TF2. It is a cool moment that is nice to see. Let's say we're just walking back to spawn in TF2. It's not really interesting to see. So there's no need to keep that in the video. We could just cut all those 23 seconds out of the video. So cut it out. Then we got funny moment. A funny moment is basically anything funny.
Yeah, what are you doing? What are you doing? What is she doing?
You thought you could make it out alive, Mr. Bond. Not on my terms.
Let's say you die in a funny way in a video game, or you see like a funny ragdoll or something, you know, funny happens. Haha, funny stuff. Maybe you're in a clown car, I don't know. You do that, I don't know. That's cool, keep that in. People like seeing funny things in video games, right? So just keep that in. Context and goal. This is basically you claiming in the video that you're gonna do something, or the video game gives you like an objective, right?
So we need to go into another portal and go to a specific dimension behind the zombie horse. We need to go really high so we can like reset all the mobs. We need to go back up because there's like a billion mobs on the floor.
I have to defend. We have to defend though. We can't let them win. Team, you gotta go back in.
This is basic storytelling 101. Let's say in TF2, oh my god, we have 20 seconds left on the card and we need to defend it. Now, if we keep that in, we make the viewer interested in the next 20 seconds because now they're curious if you're gonna be offended, defend the card for the next 20 seconds. Or let's say in Minecraft, you're like, oh, I need to get 20 torches. This gives the viewer context on what you are doing, and these are important, so keep them in the video. And the shorter you wanna make the video, the more that that you will need to cut. I suggest you to rank everything you see from a 1 to a 10 in your mind, or like how interesting it is, or you know how good it is. Sometimes some funny things will happen, but it won't be as funny as the other things. So you can cut them out, or you can just cut out some unnecessary context or gaming moments. It should be fine. What you can also do is just do a basic cut, then go over your video and cut out things that feel boring or shorten the scenes. The truth is that teaching how to cut gaming videos is like teaching how to throw a jab or like an elbow or whatnot. Yes, you could study it and I could talk about it. You just need to like do it for yourself to get a hang of it, learn how to do it, man. So you need to do it with real practice. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you some footage to practice with. So do that and you'll be better, man, trust me. But let's move on to music and SFX. Sound effects can really elevate your gaming videos, man.
No!
Bruh.
No!
If you don't know where to get sound effects from, you can get all the sound effects that I've ever used in my life for free in the link in the description below. It's got over 4,000 sound effects and it's got everything that you would need, okay? Let's say this Roblox guy gets punched. We can add a punch sound effect, and then when he falls, we can add like a Gmod ragdoll sound effect.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey!
Now it's like funny because you added sound effects. Or let's say someone falls, we can just search Wilhelm fall. Or whatever it's called, and we can just add that.
Get out of there.
And wow, it's funnier now. So just add sound effects here and there. The next step is to add music. And to be honest, you just need to add some funky music and that's it. Don't overcomplicate it. You can use free websites like incompetech.com or Pixabay, or paid websites like Envato Elements or Artlist to get music from. All is good. Just search for something like bank robbery or adventure and go through some music and you'll find something that will fit the mood of your video and what's on the screen. Just add that in. It is that simple. You can also add some moody music like 90s drum and bass or new jobbies type beats or whatever you want. Completely up to you. Also, here's a bonus tip. If you use this tool, you can actually like elongate your music and make it as long as you want. It's pretty cool, and I use this all the time to make my music longer. Build a music folder on your computer so that you don't have to look for music all the time as well. So don't forget to do that. Alright, now we have captions. An optional thing to do is to add captions to your footage. You can caption everything or caption some things. I prefer to caption some things and not everything, so go to window, choose text, and click on create caption from transcript. These are the settings that I always use, so just copy my settings literally and go ahead and correct the captions. And also you can delete the dots and the commas by using find and replace tool like so just do that, and delete where you don't think captions are necessary. And when you're done, select all your captions, click on graphics and titles, and then upgrade caption to graphic. After that, you can use my chat editor presets and go to text folder here and add any presets you want, and your captions will look sick and animated, which will level up your videos, which is pretty cool. You can get my presets on my Gumroad, so check out the links below. Alright, we're almost done, but we're just gonna add one last thing, which is gonna be VFX/memes. This is where you let your creativity shine, man. Just add memes and VFX and stuff if you want. Let's say you watched a funny thing the other day and it kind of relates to the thing you said while gaming. So cool, just add that in, bro.
Can I go back here at least? That's it.
You missed that one. Try another.
Have you seen the Minecraft movie trailer where Jack Black goes, "Chicken jockey"?
Chicken jockey.
My happiness is still a 1. It's because I've chosen this life of crime.
Or as someone's talking, you can add like funny PNG image pop-ups like so. Or you can make animations like I did here with Ace Attorney. I mean, I never played that game before, but I wanted to add it because guys like in a code, I don't know. Just be creative, alright? It's really up to you, and this is where your sense of humor will shine. Here's a bonus I promised you. I asked YouTuber JNG to send me some footage, and he did for me to edit, but I'm gonna share it with you so you can practice editing it yourself as well, and hopefully he won't get mad. And I'll actually edited this video and I'll put like the thumbnail of it. You can go search for it. You can use my finished version as like a reference version if you want to check how your video measures up to mine. So if you look at the practice with some real gaming footage, the link for the raw footage will be in the description. You just have to give me your email, man, and you know, you'll get my synchronizing tutorial and this practice footage, which is a darn good deal, innit?
I'll make that deal.
I'd make that deal.
I don't blame you. Damn good deal.
So that's it, man. Check out my Gumroad if you're looking to fast track your editing progress with my courses, or if you want to learn how to make $1,000 per week with video editing, or you just want to hop on a private lesson with me and learn whatever the fuck you want. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and YouTube thinks you'll like this video. With that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.